Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of full-time income, you're in the right place. Whatever situation you're currently going through, the bottom line is you need money because let's be honest, the cost of living keeps rising every day and the best thing you can do for yourself is get some extra cash. Before we dive into the strategies, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Hi, welcome to the How to Do Things channel, where we teach you how to do anything, and today we're diving into the exciting world of making money online. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. In today's interconnected world, the possibilities for making money online are endless. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, escape the traditional 9-to-5 routine, or build a sustainable online business, the digital world offers a wide range of opportunities. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various avenues for making money online and provide practical tips to help you navigate this exciting and dynamic world. The first strategy is freelancing. Take advantage of your skills and expertise by joining freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, virtual assistant, musician, or marketer, there's a demand for your talents. Create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects that align with your skills. Next up is affiliate marketing. Monetize your influence by diving into the world of affiliate marketing by partnering with companies and promoting their products and services. Platforms like Amazon Associates, AliExpress, or CJ Affiliate offer opportunities to earn commissions for every sale generated through your unique affiliate links. Choose products relevant to your audience and take advantage of your online presence to maximize earnings. Another avenue for making money online is through online surveys and reviews. Through this, you get to make some little money, and it is perfect for someone looking to make something small during their free time. All you have to do is to share your opinion by participating in online surveys or write product reviews to earn money and gift cards. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or User Testing pay users for providing valuable feedback. While the earnings may not replace full-time income, they offer a convenient way to make money in your free time. If you are focused on building and growing a profession, dive into the world of remote work opportunities. This has been dubbed as the future of employment because in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic, since then, it has become the new normal to work remotely, and it is now easier to earn a living from the comfort of your home. Explore remote job opportunities on websites like Remote OK or WeWork Remotely. The great thing is that many companies around the world are now embracing remote work, providing opportunities for individuals around the globe. You can now get an opportunity to work from your dream destination, like, for example, if it's Diani Beach, you can still go there and enjoy yourself and still earn a decent living while you work and enjoy your life. From customer support to programming, find a remote job that suits your expertise and lifestyle. If you're passionate about something you're eager to share with the world, then you can start a blog. Transform your passion into profit by sharing your experiences and insights and sharing with the world. Platforms like WordPress or Medium make it easy to launch your own space on the internet. Monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing as you grow your audience, and enjoy your money all the way to the bank. Now, another way to make money is to sell products online. Open an online store on platforms like Etsy or eBay to sell handmade crafts or vintage items, as it operates like your virtual storefront. You can also choose to start your own website, and these days it's very easy to set up one through websites like Wix and WordPress. And for your hosting services, you can go to Bluehost or GoDaddy, and they will provide the services you need to make sure your site is well hosted and up and running. Once you do this, you can market your site through social media or optimize it on various search engines for your site to be visible to many customers. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do a separate video on this. And if you're finding this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Another lucrative opportunity is online courses. Your opportunity to teach and earn. If you're a teacher or you possess proficiency in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Cambly, Udemy, or Teachable. Another avenue for you to make money online is through content creation, and that is for people who enjoy creating content online and have an audience, and most of the time it's organic, but you just don't find ways to make money from it. Consider growing your page, or if you don't have one and you have the talent, start your social media pages like through Facebook, YouTube. You can start a podcast, open an Instagram channel, or even a TikTok page. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through advertisements, sponsorships, or even affiliate marketing. You can also start a Twitter or TikTok page once you meet the criteria and sign up for their monetization programs and make some extra cash while at it. Another way that's very lucrative is if you're good at photography or you're also good at taking videos, then you can sell your photos and videos to stock websites like iStock, Shutterstock, or Adobe Stock and enjoy your money. Finally, one of the other great ways to make money online, if you're a writer or a creative, is to publish your book on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. You can publish your fiction or non-fiction book on the platform. If you're creative, you can design journals, you can also design plans, and you can also make diaries and Amazon will print them for you if someone decides to buy a hard copy version. Getting around Kindle Direct Publishing is pretty easy. You typically begin with creating your book manuscripts in a digital format using software like Microsoft Word or Canva if you're designing a journal. Then you sign up for a Kindle Direct Publishing account. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use those credentials to log in. Next step is preparing your book for publishing, where you upload your manuscript to the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. During this step, you'll provide details such as the book title, your name as the author, and book description and the keywords. You can also upload a cover for your book. Next task is to choose your book's pricing and royalties, where you set the price for your ebook and select the royalty option. It is important to note that Kindle Direct Publishing offers two royalty options, a 35% royalty or a 70% royalty. The 70% option has specific pricing requirements and is available in certain territories. Next, you get to preview your ebook. Before publishing, use the online previewer tool to ensure that your ebook looks good on different devices. This helps you to catch any formatting issues. And finally, you get to publish your ebook. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click the Publish Your Kindle ebook button. Your ebook will then be available for purchase on the Kindle store within 72 hours. After publishing, it is crucial to promote your ebook so that you can be able to reach a wider audience. You can use various marketing strategies, including social media promotion, author websites, and other promotional tools. Once you're done, you can track your sales and royalties through the dashboard. You can get to see how many copies have been sold, you can track your earnings, and then get insights on the performance of your book. And there you have it, the different strategies on how you can make money online. Find your niche and get started. Once you do, use another strategy in order to diversify your earnings, or if possible, combine several strategies in order to increase your income level so that you may be able to have a great fallback in case one source doesn't work out. But just remember, the key to success often lies in effective marketing and building an audience for your work. And the reality is that the digital landscape is jam-packed with opportunities for those who are willing to explore. Whatever options you choose, the key is to remain persistent and stay updated with the ever-evolving trends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Feel free to check out the description box below for links on sites that can help you get started. Thanks so much for tuning in to How to Do Things. Until next time, happy hustling. Bye.